And also Brookes University, in your third year you go on a compulsory year abroad. Absolutely amazing experience. You get to meet so many different kinds of people from many different kinds of countries. You get to live in like a kind of international environment and speak in Japanese all the time. So in my dormitory, for example, we would have people from all over the world, from Asia, from Europe, from America as well, and we were all living together. And we would do things together like, normal living things, cooking and things like that, and just watching movies. But the entire time we were speaking in Japanese, and I'm not going to lie, at the beginning it was really difficult. I worked at McDonalds in Japan part-time. The working environment in Japan is so different to the one we're used to in England. And I think if you're going on your abroad, if you have the opportunity, definitely apply for a part-time job. You really kind of see your development, and it feels really good when you can actually hold a conversation in Japanese and even further and beyond that. In the fourth year there's a module called Japan Through Contemporary Texts, and lots of people who have already graduated have told me that it's a very difficult module and I should avoid it. So I decided to take it anyway, despite the claims of it being really difficult. And no, it's actually turned out to be a really good module. I did my research project on the declining birth rate issue in Japan currently, and I ended up writing like a kind of like mini dissertation. It was a really good experience. I actually really enjoyed it. It was surprising actually. Yeah, I've been lucky enough to get accepted to study Chinese in Taiwan for 9 months after graduation here. And I'm really thankful to my year abroad for that, because I wouldn't have gained that interest without going to Japan and kind of being exposed to this kind of international environment. Yeah, it was a really good experience. It was the best time of my life.